Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you're one of them guys that think you have to have a name brand tool in your shop or in your home garage, you need to start thinking twice. I've been doing this for over 40 some years. My shop is loaded with name brand tools. 90% of them is snap-on. Now don't get me wrong, snap-on makes a great quality tool, but the tool I'm getting ready to show you is something that doesn't need to be snap-on, and it's going to save you over $500. Check this out. If you're a first-time visitor to this channel, we do tool reviews, how to fix cars, fabrication, anything to do with automotive. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. Now this is something I want to get out there. I am not sponsored or paid by any one of these products. These are my own personal reviews. Hey, I want to take a second and let you guys know that in the description below, I'll put a link to the tools that I'm showing you and all kinds of other tools. Anytime you guys buy something from those links, a small portion, and I mean a very small portion, does go to support this channel, and I appreciate that. That being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, you're not going to believe this. One of these boxes is $500 more than the other one. And after checking both of them out, there's no difference in quality. I've had this snap-on set though for a long time. I had no intentions on replacing it. I just was going to replace a few things that were missing in it. So when I talked to the snap-on man, I said I'm missing these items. He tells me, you know, it's just cheaper to go ahead and get another set than it was to replace the broken items. So I priced it out. This set was $589. I said, man, you've got to be kidding me. And he tells me it's a week out. Well, I'm working on a car. I needed to do it now. So I said, you know, let me hold off. So I went on Amazon. I did some research and I found this other kit, and it was $57. So I said, you know, let me just try it. If anything, it gets through this one car. Well, the kit came in. I ran that test on the car. It did just fine. So I started to do a comparison. I took out some fittings, matched them up, checked the quality, checked the thread pitch. I mean, they were apples for apples. The comparison was just equal. So just to be safe, I took the gauge and I said, let me check the gauges. I did a comparison. They were each within 1 psi of each other. I mean, you can't get no more accurate than that. The hose, I pulled the hoses out. I checked the fittings. The quality of the hose was just as good as the snap-on quality, if not better. There was no difference. But I'm going to tell you like this. For $57, I can buy one of these every 2 years for the next 20 years. At that point, it became a no-brainer. I'm definitely sticking with the one from Amazon. I am not getting a snap-on one. I mean, even down to the compression fittings on the hoses. They're tight. They're extremely good. You know, one of the things I want to say is any tool that I recommend, I definitely put through the test. Even all those tools I have down in my description, I have used every single one of those tools. And I would recommend them to anybody. Alright guys, anytime I come across any kind of tools or any kind of parts that I think is going to be a good quality and will save you some money, I'm definitely going to pass it on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.